Hello everybody, my name is Charlotte. I've been a dental hygienist for about 20 years and I'm also a senior brand ambassador for Burst Oral Care. As you can see by all this messy stuff I have on the table, I'm here today to do a corn demo for you on the Burst Sonic toothbrush. Now, the reason all of us crazy hygienists have been using cobs of corn to do this demo is because the contrast is really amazing. Bright yellow mixed with the dark brown of the coffee grounds. It's very easy for you to see what we're trying to demonstrate, and that is the effectiveness of the brush. And for me, more importantly, the shape and the texture of these bristles. It's super soft, so it gets in all the little nooks and crannies. I know that your mouth is a different environment and it's moist, it's not dry like this. And trust me, I have demoed this toothbrush in my own mouth. Some people get kind of grossed out by that. I've also demoed it on other food items as well. So at home, pick whatever food you want and try the Burst toothbrush out. So as I'm brushing here, just keep in mind I'm not using a lot of pressure. This is great for people that tend to brush their teeth too hard. And it's not very technique sensitive, so you're not scrubbing back and forth. You're basically just letting the bristles get in between all the little nooks and crannies, and you're gliding along. It's got your standard 2-minute timer. It will pause every 30 seconds to let you know to go on to the next section of your mouth. It's got 3 brushing modes. There's a whitening mode that's 33,000 sonic vibrations per minute. And then it's got a sensitive mode that brings it down to 31,000 vibrations per minute. And then we've also got a massage mode that brings it back up to 33,000 vibrations per minute with an intermittent pulse. And that massage mode is really good if you've got some sore gums, gingivitis. I just like the way it feels, so sometimes I keep it on that setting. I have the cleanest corn on the block as well as the cleanest teeth because as you can see, these bristles, they are multi-layered. They're tapered, and they are also infused with a 1.6% charcoal. It draws stains and bacteria away from the teeth. It also keeps this brush head free of germs in between switching your brush heads. One of my favorite features is that you don't have to go to the store to get a new brush head, and you don't have to remember to switch it, because by default, the subscription will send this new brush head to you every 3 months. That's the ADA and dental community standard to switch your brush head out. Now, if you get sick or you just like to have a new brush head more often, you can change that default to 1 or 2 months if you like. You can order extra. Last but not least, the price point for this product is so affordable. If you were to just go to the website and buy it outright for the retail price, this unit, it's the starter kit, comes with the base 1 brush head, charging station, USB port. That's going to be $69.99. That's not a bad price, but if you use a brand ambassador code like the one that I'm going to give you, you can bring it down to $39.99. So this is a high-powered sonic toothbrush. They've also got a happiness guarantee, and so long as you're subscribed to the brush heads, it's a lifetime warranty. And I'm not kidding when I say lifetime warranty. If anything goes wrong on this thing, besides you throwing it or breaking it, they're gonna send you a new one. They have the most amazing customer service that I have ever seen. They just want everyone to be happy and to have healthy smiles, and so they stand by their product. So don't take my word for it. If you'd like to try this Burst Sonic toothbrush out for yourself, it's only $39.99 using the promo code MDGWQW. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, just leave me a comment, or you can find me at charlottesmile.com.